Hi, this is Josh with International Moulding. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go onto our website and download the U600 Underpinner join files for all of the International Moulding SKUs. There's over 1,500 files available to you online. We've put them all together right here in our workshop as we join frames and make corner samples. We've amassed them here. We've put them on their website so that you don't have to go through the hassle of creating your own files. Let me head over to my laptop and I'll walk you through how to get the files onto your flash drive. Once we've got the files on the flash drive, we'll bring them onto the console and I'll show you how to copy them from the flash drive to your memory. Okay, so you're going to want to start on the internationalmoulding.com website, and let's assume that you're not logged in when you go to the website. What you'll see is our home page, and you'll have the home page button here, product showroom, contact us. But you notice there's something missing, and it's called the Framer resources. You're going to need access to the Framer resources in order to grab our underpinner files, and amongst very many other things that you can find there. So to access the Framer resources, you can do two things. One is you can go here where it says International Moulding Birmingham. It's going to put you in Birmingham by default. That's our main warehouse, and it's also the first alphabetically. What you can also do is change your location to any of the 17 International Moulding locations. I'm based out of West Virginia, so I'll click Huntington, West Virginia. And now I have Framer resources for Huntington, West Virginia. Now, I don't have all of the resources. If I signed in, I would have more resources than what I have now. So for instance, price lists. There are no price lists here because I'm not signed in. We don't want to just allow anybody to come and get pricing because, we're wholesale only. So if I sign in now, I'll be automatically directed to West Virginia. Even though I was already there, I'll be automatically directed back to West Virginia because that's where my login is associated. And then under Framer Resources, I've got more options now. Price lists is one of those options. So that's how you access Framer Resources. You can either sign in and it'll be available, or you can choose a location. Now here is Computer Resources. And on this page, we've got a few things: molding product images, price files in Excel format, and we've got the AMP U600 Underpinner molding join files. So this is the file that you'll need to download, and it's going to be a zip folder. So let me start downloading it. It's scanning for viruses, should not find any. It's downloading, and it's pretty fast because these are just lots of little tiny files. If I open it up, you can see there's all the different molding profile numbers. They're just about a kilobyte each. So there's a bunch of these. So we're going to extract these, and I'm just going to extract them to my downloads folder to make it easy for me. Select folder, show extracted files when complete, yes. And so as it's extracting, I am going to put a flash drive into my computer, which I have just done. These are the files that are currently on my flash drive. I'm actually going to delete all of these. So you want to use a blank flash drive. So here I've got USB disk flash drive F. You want to use something that's totally empty. Okay. And then once your underpinner join files have been extracted, which, let's see, here's the new folder that they've been extracted to. It's in the downloads, International Moulding Underpinner files, new folder. So these are the files I just downloaded off of our website. I can take all these, I can hit Control A on the keyboard to select all of them. I can hit copy or cut, and I can go in and paste them into the blank flash drive, just like this. And so as it's pasting those, it's going to create those records in the flash drive. What's important here is to not put your join files into any kind of subfolder within your flash drive. So I'm copying them directly onto the flash drive. There's no folders here. That's why it's totally blank. I'm not using any folders. That's just going to be the way that the underpinner accepts the files. You're not going to have to go through a directory of folders to get to your files. Put them on here and you shouldn't have any trouble. So we'll let that copy over, and then we will head over to the underpinner with that flash drive, and I'll show you how to copy them to your underpinner. Okay, I'm back at my U600 underpinner. I've got the flash drive. So when you're looking at the console, where do we insert the flash drive? There's a place right underneath the console. There's actually two places, one here and one here. I'm not sure if there's a difference. I'm going to insert it, maybe. There we go. Now, what you're gonna need, if you have your GUI user interface manual, it's gonna walk you through the steps on how to do this on the utilities page. And in this page, it shows you a frame program backup. So what the backup does is it allows you to copy any of the files that you currently have onto your machine. You can make a backup of those files onto a flash drive. So you would use the copy to USB password for that. Or you can do a frame program upload. So what we're gonna do is the frame program upload, which is copying from the USB, which is the files we have on the USB copied to the U600. So to do that, you need the copy from USB password. Now, yours might be different from mine. I have mine written down on the back of my GUI manual. I got these from Fletcher Terry. You might need to call Fletcher Terry to get yours if they don't match. So to get to your page on here, you're gonna go to the little maintenance menu. There's a key, and you're gonna use the password. Mine is 222111. Click OK. And it's gonna start copying over your files. It says copying in progress, 1,540 files, and it's going through each of the SKUs. So I already have them on here. I don't need to finish this. I'm gonna hit cancel. You would just let that finish running. So it's just updating my files because I've already got them on there. It didn't add any. But that's how you do it. It's pretty simple. When you're done, click exit, and then you should have access to all of the International Moulding join files. So they were all put together right here on this machine over many years, and hopefully they serve you well. So thank you for watching, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need any help. As always, you can get a hold of your Fletcher Terry rep or your AMP rep, and they can help you out. But make sure you have your GUI user interface manual. Make sure you have those passwords. Write them down once you get them, and you should be good. All right, thank you very much for watching.